Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. Hey, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners. This will be the ultimate guide and complete step-by-step tutorial. You can get started absolutely for free and earn as much as anything from $100 a day to $350 per day in this Digistore 24 tutorial for beginners. I'll show you how to do it step by step in 3 niches that I don't normally talk about. That is absolutely blowing up. The best part is that you can get results like this working only 5 minutes per day. Yes, in 5 minutes at the same time it takes you to make a hot cup of coffee. You can be making money, and I want you to keep me accountable. Okay, if I can show you how to make money in 5 minutes or less, you should dislike the video, leave a hateful comment down below. But if I actually show you how to do it in 5 minutes, drop a like on this video and stay all the way to the end. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get sales with Digistore 24 so you can make more money part-time doing affiliate marketing on Digistore. Then you're actually doing it a full-time job so you can see more sales, less work. It's free to sign up, you don't have to pay anything. Now I just want to show you the steps that are involved in this. So step 1 is register at Digistore 24. I'm going to show you how to do that. Step number 2, select a product from the marketplace. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in 3 different niches with really hot affiliate products right now. And then step number 3, promote the product to your audience. Then step 4, earn profits. And this is my favorite part. Is this your favorite part as well? I think it is. So all you need to do is go to the top right here, click start now. It's free to sign up. Now you can profit from Digistore 24 to just send your username, affiliate link, email, password, title, name, address and all of that. Then don't read the privacy policy in the B2B contract. Just register for free right now. Now that you're on the inside, you can click on the marketplace all the way at the top right here, then click on all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Here you can see all the different niches that has affiliate products on Digistore24.com. Now the first one is dating, love and relationships, a big niche, a lot of pain, problems, especially now when everybody's locked inside. Everybody's looking for love, but they can't even go out, so everybody's sad and lonely. The next one is personal development. This one you can make a lot of money literally in 5 minutes. That I'm gonna show you in just a second. The last one is spirituality and esoterics. So this one is a little bit more, spirituality out there, law of attraction, manifestation and numerology and all of that. And this also is a 5-minute earner right here. So we're just gonna go for an example, going to dating, love and relationships. Here you can see his secret obsession, and look at this guys, you're gonna get 90 of the commission and you're gonna make $46 every time somebody signs up through your link. So as you can see right here, you get the front end and the back end sales. One of the highest converting offers in its class. I've been taking the women's market by storm. I know this from experience. His secret obsession I've been promoting in the past is a great product, so I know for a fact that this works. For example, you can see that this is a good product versus a bad product, mainly because the price is a little bit higher. If we just go to the second offer here, you can see that we pretty much make half of what we would make if we promoted this. And it's always easier to promote a higher ticket offer to a lower amount of people than it needs to promote a lower ticket offer to a high volume of people. But what actually happened if we click on promote now, then we get our affiliate link and we're just gonna check it out. And can see this is a very simple sales page or video sales page. And then we can even click skip to the text presentation. If somebody don't like to watch the video, they just want to skip right into the actual headlines. It's something he craves: more than love, more than money, even more than sex. I love these headlines, man, it's the weirdest thing. And look at how many testimonials they have. It looks like a great product. Now I know for a fact that this sells well. Now how are you actually gonna sell this product easily within 5 minutes? Well, first of all, just get your affiliate link. Okay, so copy this link, save it somewhere so you know that you have the link. Now the next step you want to take is to go to this TikTok right here. Now if you never made a TikTok before, if you don't even respect TikTok, you think it's only dancers and stuff like that, well yes, stupid. TikTok is the fastest growing platform right now, and it also is very low effort content. It's not like you have to make a 10-minute long YouTube video. You only make a 15 seconds long dumb little thing right here, and then you get thousands and thousands and thousands of views, and you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this exact strategy. Now let me just show you exactly what this is all about and how you can do it. Science. They love you without saying it that they stopped But to talk in person, they remember little things about you, they give you their full attention, they notice when something is wrong. That's it. Do you see how dumb this is? Do you see that you're literally stealing money by doing this? It's the lowest hanging fruit that's around. As you can see, this one got 600k followers, but this one also has 600k followers, and they do it the exact same thing. If you can read this, then I'm sorry. Like again, psychological facts, so real boy facts, and girls remember that, and these again can go into the dating relationship niche. 600,000 followers on this one. This one has 2.4 million followers, gets even more views than the other one. Girl facts once again can be a hot 300,000 views that you could get a click to your affiliate link and make $40 for that. Now let me take a look at another one that's called Look Luxury Card. This is a different niche and it's some more interpersonal development, how to make money online, how to invest, and all of that. But as you can see, again, super simple content. They're not even making the videos themselves, they're not even being on camera, just reposting luxury cars, yachts, buildings. That looks cool, but take a look at this. This is the third niche that I was going to show you, and this has 300,000 followers, manifestation. And as you can remember, when we came into the marketplace, spirituality and esoterics is right in here, and I know that this one is promoting numerology. So you see 777, 666 is all numerology that people are really interested in, and you can sell a lot of affiliate products. But how would you actually make this video right here? Really simply, without even having a laptop from anywhere in the world. Right now I'm gonna show you that, but before that, make sure you slap that like button. Let's try to get to 500 likes on this video. Also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment down below my favorite so you can enter doing a $1,000 course. And also make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video to not miss any of the steps so you make the most amount of money. Okay, I'm gonna jump right into how to actually make these videos right now. So as you can see, these are all stock footage videos, and the website that is my favorite with free stock footage is pixels.com. As you can see, all we need to do is click on videos right here, and you can find a ton of videos that you can use for free. In any video, there's no license on this, you don't even have to attribute anybody to this, it's all free for you to use. And there's so many ways that you can use this to make money, because you know that video is the hardest commodity right now, and here you basically are at hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos for free. So all you would have to do is click on this one right here. You can see that 2.69 million already has viewed this video because it's quite beautiful. I hope. Let's see. Well, it doesn't even move or anything, it's literally a guy running. Like there's a dude running right there. Yo, you ready? No, he's not even running, he's walking. Oh, there's another one. Come on, is he gonna hug him, kick him, punch him? Nah, just walk with him. Okay, yeah, super high drama on that one. Well, okay, we want something that moves a little bit more, not just a standing. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, here you can see that it's moving a little bit more, and this would be a perfect video for us to use. You can even see that it is 18 seconds right here, and all you have to do is click on free download, and it's downloading just like that. Now I'm looking out for all the people that only have a phone. Well, Pixels actually got their own app, so you just have to download the app, and then you can download all these really cool images from your phone. Now how are you gonna actually edit this video? Well, you actually just put that video straight into TikTok and you edit it into TikTok. This is what exactly these guys are doing. This is a TikTok edit that you're just adding into the TikTok editor. So now you obviously have the video that is playing in the background, but how do you find what is going to go on top right here? Well, all you need to do is click into Google and search for relationship facts, and as you can see here, you got about 10 facts about love. Also relationships, as you can see, has a ton of them, and they're literally just reposting this exact same text over and over and over again, getting hundreds of thousands of views, making tens of thousands of dollars super easily. Now do you agree that I showed you a way to make money in 5 minutes? You can do this in 5 minutes. Like download this, go over to relationship tips, post the quotes into the TikTok, and before your coffee is even finished and you can drink that sweet old thing, you have already uploaded a video for today. Do you see how you could make a video like this just so easily? It's a pretty good way to make money online, right? Well, now I showed you exactly how to find a high-ticket affiliate product that you can't sell to make money with. I also showed you how to grow a TikTok following. That is so simple, you can do it within 5 minutes. But how do you actually get them to go to your affiliate link? Well, what I recommend is that you use a link in the description, not like this one. not like this one, not like this one, but more like this one, luxurycard.com. Now I want this to be your affiliate link, but not straight to an affiliate link because they don't really like that. So what you should do and also have more potential of earning is to make a link tree. Okay, so this is an app that is completely free, linktr.ee, and here you can see that this is my link tree right here. I have make dollars and watch my YouTube channel, best crypto investment platform. Now I could just add new link and then I can go back to Digistore 24 again. I can go and click onto this link right here, which is my affiliate link, copy that, go back to Linktree again, and here we can post that. Now here you want to have a curiosity based title. Now how we're going to find that is that we're actually going to click that into Chrome again, and then we're going to copy the headline that we saw earlier today. It's something he craves more than love, more than money, even more than sex. This looks a little bit weird. So we're gonna add a few different words in here to make it even more captivating. So we're gonna say this is what he craves more than love, more than money, more than sex. Then that should update just like that. So if they click on our TikTok right here, they will see this exact page right here, and even on desktop it will look like this. Now it looks ugly, I know, but they've found that the uglier the page, basically more simple the page is, the more actions they will actually take, because they are not getting confused. They don't look at all these crazy images on the side, so it has a way higher conversion percentage. And just like that, if somebody clicks here, they just went through TikTok, they clicked on the link tree, then they ended up on our sales page right here, and if they purchase, you will make $46 again and again and again just by posting these 5-minute short videos. Now this is an amazing way to make money online, but there are a few different things that I think is a lot easier if you would go with a second strategy. Now I'm gonna post my 2 favorite strategies on the screen right now, so tap the top one, tap the bottom one. Thank you so much for liking the video. Thank you.